If you're getting the itch.io error invalid request, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. This is usually caused by corrupted browser data, cached files, or sometimes a problem inside the itch app itself. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From there, make sure you select Cached Images and Files, and Cookies and Other Site Data. You can usually leave the time range set to all time if you want the most thorough reset. Then click Clear Data and give the browser a moment to finish. This step is important because old or broken browser data can interfere with itch.io loading properly and trigger that invalid request error. Once that is done, go back to itch.io and try the same action again to see if the problem is gone. If the error is still showing up, the next step is to use Incognito Mode or a private browsing window. This helps bypass any corrupted cookies, extensions, or saved session data that may be causing the issue. To do that, open a new incognito window in your browser, then visit itch.io again and test the page. If it works in incognito but not in your normal browser window, that usually means the issue is related to saved browser data or an extension. In that case, clearing cookies again or disabling browser extensions may also help. Now, if you are using the Itch app instead of the website, there is another fix you should try. Open the Itch app, then go to Preferences and click Advanced. Inside the Advanced section, look for the button that says Clear Browsing Data. Click that option to remove the stored browser information inside the app. This can fix the invalid request error if the app has stale data saved locally. After clearing it, restart the Itch app and try again. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will solve the issue right away. So to recap, first clear your browser cache and cookies, then try Incognito Mode, and if you're using the Itch app, clear the browsing data from Preferences and Advanced. If the problem is fixed, great, you can continue using itch.io normally. If not, the issue may be temporary on the site itself, and trying again later can also help. If this video helped you fix the itch.io invalid request error, please leave a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.